Hi, thank you, Ashok. I just have one poem, and it's called, this poem was written, one of my poems was accepted in the Peace Poems, a collection of poems by border poets from Canada and the United States, Bellingham. So this is my poem, and it's called Children of a Common Mother. Let us look at ourselves, reflected in nature. Through the mist, there is a gap as narrow as a blade of grass, or as wide as a ravine or a mountaintop pass. But does that gap contain for humankind? Could it be joy or sadness, sorrow or pain, or a dozen other things in this world of madness, when humans choose destruction and greed? There is a gap between conception and the coming of birth. What will become of young and old men? What will become of women and children? Can we enter the gap to find peace? Our lives are but a gap in the whole scheme of things. Why not fill it with peace? We are all children of Adam and have self-worth. Have we become deaf to the sound of the bell? Has the gap between our ears filled with black gold? There is a gap between planting the seeds of peace to becoming a flower. So let us scatter the seeds of peace and watch the flowers bloom. As leaders of the United States and Great Britain did when they signed the Treaty of Ghent in 1814, declaring peace between two nations. Peace Arch State and the provincial park divides United States and Canada on the 49th parallel. A path now surrounds the monument where seeds of peace are scattered and flowers bloom on both sides. Fulfillment of peace draws from the same power as the inscription engraved on the Peace Arch walls, and it reads thus: Brethren dwelling together in unity, children of a common mother. Thank you.